to do Patane.沙梨头北巷. Little lanes of Patane, little lanes of little pebbles, little slices of little Macau. Oh, 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 it's so little, little pebbles and little lanes, little Patane and little Macau. Oh, 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 oh. It's all so little. Oh, 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 but the big area of car mechanics and other industrial material is very big. Little lanes of Patane, little lanes of little pebbles, little slices of little Macau. Oh, 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 it's so little. Oh, oh, oh,
Pedrinhas Lane, Travessa das Pedrinhas. This is a small, tiny little street. There's not a whole lot going on, but in my effort to film lots of different places, I will find something that's interesting. I'm already finding that the colors are kind of interesting. And then also, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this Concordia Street, which is interesting. So we'll put this up on the map. This is one of the first things that we're going to do. Just kind of come out here. Tall, beautiful buildings up that way. So we're going to be going down Pedrinhas, and then we're going to walk around this neighborhood a little bit, tell you about Concordia, and kind of let you see what it's all about. So stay tuned. Up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is Pedrinhas. So before we even get down our target street, we'll get into it right away. This is Concordia. So Concordia, I was looking it up a little bit, and I was trying to figure out why this was named this. This is all part of like reclaimed land territory. Let me tell you as we walk. We'll just see if we see anything interesting. But so this Concordia, there was like a ship that went down a long time ago, and it kind of went down somewhat in this area, and it's called the Concordia. So I was kind of wondering like why some of these streets have that name, the Concordia references in this area. And I was thinking it might be connected to that ship. So the ship went down, and then they were reclaiming land. And then this one was, that street that we were on was had that name. Oh, here's something we could explore. Mesa Garden, looks like it's kind of industrial and quiet. I can see your jackhammers. These are kind of interesting, okay? But maybe the most interesting thing is this street kind of void of people. It looks like it's the hearing impaired area. And we also have some apartments you can take a look at as well. And I kind of like to document and film all the different city streets because there are people that live here. There are people that have this address that do come here. So it kind of gives them an idea of what it might look like. You know, for all we know, there's somebody who's looking to put their kids in this school right here. They have no idea what the street is and what's around it, and now you know. And if we look up a little bit, you can see some rooftop apartments up there, which are always interesting. CSSE. Don't know what that is either. It looks like it's a school for young kids. We'll probably see the full name when we get out to the other street here. And we'll usually, like, what I do is I put stuff in context. So I think I'm going to be going to the waterfront. Let's see what this is exactly. Okay, special needs school. Okay, special education. That's funny. I have heard of it before, I just didn't know it was here. And then let's see, down here, this is kind of quiet as well. So yeah, our street is a little bit quiet, which is okay. And then we'll give you some context. I think we're going to be going towards the water. We'll see how far away that is, and if anything, the water's not too far away, actually. Pedrinhas. Kind of a cool name. Okay, so let's go around the corner, and we'll just do a little bit of context for our street. So there's another street down here that I was also thinking of filming, and it goes to the waterfront. Give you a little context of what this whole area looks like. It's more kind of an industrial feel. The water is straight. Let me go across here. This is another street that I don't think I have filmed before, Travessa. So we're gonna navigate into here a little bit. And let me see. It smells like kind of like oil or something, or then water mixed or something. And then the waterfront is just straight up that way. So right there on the other side of those buses, it looks like there's no easy way to cross that main street though. But we'll get as close as we can. So there's a waterfront down that way. You know what I think I'm gonna do? It's so bright, it's not really. Over there is a St. Joseph University. This is all part of Norte de Patane. So I'm just gonna follow the other street as well. So we're gonna do a combination of two different streets. I think that's the best way. So we have so we have this one as well, Travessa and the Hua. And I've also haven't filmed this street before. I think these are two streets I haven't filmed. So let's get out of the same way that we're just at. And then we're basically just going to go around the block, and then I will have documented these two streets. There's another street right here too called Asilo. This is you know, it's quite industrial, so it's not really an area that I would come up to and walk around, because it's more a place to get your car fixed. This area, as you can kind of feel. Okay, let me go down like this. So, okay. So we're gonna come back over to this Concordia. Very, very industrial. So yeah, there's a ship that came down around this area called the Concordia. So I can't find any exact proof that this neighborhood was named after that ship that went down off the coast of this area, but I just kind of have an assumption that that might be the case. Okay. Yeah, very industrial. So that's the other street right there. Norte de Patane. And now we're out on this Concordia Street, which is a little bit chaotic. Okay. It's chaotic meaning like trying to cross the street, the cars, you know, like just kind of the general feel of it. Okay, so anyways, we basically documented Pedrinhas and Patane Norte, the Travessa. And now we're going to come back to the Pedrinhas. There we go, right there. So, a slice of Macau. Documenting a street that I don't think I've filmed before. One of the very few that I don't think I've filmed. And there you go. Slice of Macau.
Travessa Norte do Patane.